Good evening, everybody. My name is Devi Garpati. I went to Dr. Amar in 2018 December with a severe problem of hernia. నాకు ఇంటెస్టైన్స్ చాలా చోట్ల అబ్డమన్ డక్ నుంచి బయటకు వచ్చేసి ఇట్ కాజ్ మీ సివియర్ హెర్నియా ట్రామా. అది డయాగ్నోసిస్ టైంలో అమర్ గారు నాకు ఏం చెప్పారంటే దిస్ ఈజ్ అ రిజల్ట్ ఆఫ్ మై ఓవర్ వెయిట్ అని. అప్పుడు ఐ యూస్ టు బీ క్లోజ్ టు 101 or 102 at that point of time. So he actually suggested that, along with the hernia mesh repair, if I get a sleeve bypass done, it will not only reduce my weight and avoid any future recurrence of hernia. He also explained it in a way that, my డయాబెటీస్, హైపర్టెన్షన్, థైరాయిడ్ ఇవన్నీ కూడా రిజాల్వ్ అయిపోతాయి సైమల్టేనియస్గా అని చెప్పి సజెస్ట్ చేశారు. సో ఐ అగ్రీడ్ టు హిస్ సజెషన్ బికాస్ హీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్డ్ ఇట్ ఇన్ అ వెరీ గుడ్ వే యాజ్ టు how the hernia happened and what my health complications are and all that. So I went by what he told me and I got the sleeve bypass surgery done in 2018 December. So అప్పటి నుంచి ఇప్పటి వరకు I've lost to close to 35 kgs. Um, and the most important thing is right from the day I consulted him with my problem till the surgery, the pre-surgery care was excellent. ఆయన ఏ టెస్ట్స్ ఎక్కడెక్కడ చేయించుకోవాలి ప్రతిదీ ఎక్స్పర్ట్స్ దగ్గర పంపించేవాళ్ళు. హీ నెవర్ సెంట్ మీ టు ఎనీ డయాగ్నోస్టిక్ సెంటర్, సింగిల్ డయాగ్నోస్టిక్ సెంటర్ ప్యాకేజెస్ లాగా అలాంటి వాళ్ళే కాకుండా very customized systematic way of doing pre-surgical research and all. And other than that, he also gave me a pre-surgery diet as to how it should be. He was always constantly following up if I'm following the diet that he's given me or not. And once the surgery is done also, he's got an excellent post-surgery care. He constantly calls us and follows up. He checks on the diet. He also takes care of the nutrition, everything. Excellent way of following up after the surgery. సో నేను ఇంత వెయిట్ లాస్ అయ్యి ఇంత హెల్తీగా ఇంత ఎనర్జెటిక్గా ఉన్నాను అంటే దానికి కారణం మా అమ్మర్ గారు చేసిన సర్జరీ అని చెప్పాలి. The other thing is, apart from the feel good factor that I've lost so much of excess weight, it helped me a lot professionally also. Nak surgery ki mundu, I work for a company, I take care of training and quality. దీనికన్నా ముందు సర్జరీ కన్నా ముందు I used to really struggle going from one session to another. It used to be like very stressful for me. But after the surgery, after all my diabetes, hypertensions, everything got cleared, and it gave me a new confidence that I could manage my work even better. So it helped me professionally also, other than my personal health issues. The surgery that Amar sir did for me, that helped me professionally. I could do within my 8 hours work what earlier I used to complete that 8 hours work. Maybe I used to do overtime for 10 hours, 12 hours, stress myself. But after the surgery, because I was not having any complications, I used to finish my work pretty much before my shift also. So now professionally kuda, because he was guiding me with the right kind of workouts, he was guiding me with the right kind of diet and food and nutrition. I'm able to manage my professional life also really well. So I should say going down from 101 kgs to up to 65 kgs, it is a major landmark in my life, I should say. All thanks to Dr. Amar and the surgeries and the procedures and his excellent follow-up and post-surgery care. He always makes sure, he calls up once in a while and remind me of my vitamin intake or my workout. He's got an excellent అందరు డాక్టర్స్ లాగా సర్జరీ చేసేసి పంపించేసి ఒక 1 or 2 కన్సల్టేషన్స్ కాకుండా రెగ్యులర్ పీరియాడిక్ క్యాలెండర్ రిమైండర్స్ లాగా ఆయన ఎప్పుడు పెట్టుకుని మాకు కాల్ చేసి హెల్త్ గురించి అడుగుతూ he's an excellent one. For me, it's a second life, I should say, after the surgery, both personally, health, hygiene. Because earlier, because of my diabetes, I always used to get infections and all. But now none of them, not even a single complication came back in the last 2 3 years since I've contacted him. So I would say the sleeve bypass which he suggested for me, that saved me. It gave me a new breath of life. In case in case there are any doubts about whether you should go for these kind of surgeries, going by what other people say, I would say don't trust those. Trust Dr. Amar, because he gives you the best suggestion. I've seen him work with other patients as well during consultations. He customizes the kind of surgeries that are needed for us, and he takes excellent care. It's like you're in the hands of God and a tuntaru. So thank you so much, Amar sir, for saving my life, for changing everything for me personally and professionally. I really appreciate what you've done for me, and the reason I'm giving this video review is because what I felt, what I experienced after the surgery, I want a lot more people to do, because it's such a nice benefit. It's the best anybody could get health wise. No diabetes, no thyroid issues, no hypertension issues, no work stress. I'm fit for the first time in my life. So that's it for me. If you have any questions, you can call me also. You can take, if at all, Amar sir, you wanted to refer anybody, old patients, you can ask Amar sir for reference, and I can answer those as well. Okay. So thank you so much, Amar sir, for giving me this opportunity to talk about my experiences with you. I'm really glad we are doing this kind of service, I would say, because this is service, because we are helping people overcome some life threatening disorders. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.